Hi, if you don't know, I'm Robin K Designs. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I am a wife, a mother of 3 beautiful daughters. I'm a grandmother, and I'm a crafter. I like to sew. I like to crochet. I have a die cutting machine. I like to do paper crafts. I like to do vinyl, iron on, all that stuff. And I've just now got into chalk, and I am a Chalk Couture independent designer. And today I'm going to show you my Happy Mail. They have a new catalog that just came out. It is the Spring Summer 2019, and it started in February. It will end, I believe, end of June, beginning of July. But what I'm going to show you today is I got some paste and some ink, and some of these are, let's see, here's my ink. It is Midnight Sky, and this is new in the catalog, and it is Shimmering Silver. They've also got a gold and a copper. And this isn't new color, but I like it. It's a light gray. It is a fresh linen. And this one also isn't new, but I like it for the spring color. It is Bumblebee. And then this is what they call an In Vogue color. This is Liberty. The In Vogue color, let me show you in the catalog real quick. In Vogue color are these 5 colors here. You see it? These 5 colors here. They are colors that are exclusive to this catalog only. When this catalog expires and the new catalog comes out for fall, it will those colors will probably no longer be available. But in my haul, besides my paste that I got these new, they're fuzzing towels. They are great. They just came out with them. Usually you can buy like a dish towel or stuff, but sometimes they're really lengthy. And I got one size for the fuzzing of your transfers, because the transfers are sticky, really super sticky, and so when you put them on certain items like glass and some of the chalkboards and stuff, it sticks really well, so you want to kind of fuzzy it a little bit. This side is like a microfiber, and so it'll dry the transfers so you can reuse it again without having to wait for them to dry. You can kind of dry them off, and you know, especially if you're doing like a lot of flowers and you want to change colors, this is what's great. And I got a couple of these. And I got some new transfers that are in the book. This one is called Bake It, and they will come. I'm going to get these. I'm going to put these on kitchen towels. That's why I got the Midnight Sky, because my kitchen's got blues and browns. And this one says, I love hugs, I love kisses, but I'd really like is someone to help with the dishes. And I really would love that. I always got to ask my kids to help. And this one I got because my youngest daughter is a senior in high school, and she'll be graduating this year. And so also I got lettering. This is called handwritten lettering. A lot of people say it looks like the Rae Dunn lettering, and then you put it on like all, different stuff, but I got that because the monthly transfer for this month is, it's this one here, and it, I think, will look really good on a board. I got some new paste. I got the new gold shimmer. I got Fig. It's gold shimmer. That's Fig. And that's the Forget Me Not. And I got just some placement tape that's really great when you're sticking stuff down or to keep things from going over. And I got this transfer. I wanted it mainly for the flowers. I love the flowers, and I've got a project I want to do it on. But I just wanted to show you what my Happy Mail was today. And I want to thank everyone for watching my channel. I want you to share, subscribe. My links are down below. Have a great day and happy craft month for March.